Hi guys, I'm Paola at the Exploreum Science Center, and today we're going to be doing a really cool experiment called elephant toothpaste. If you would like to do this reaction at home, it will be linked down below, and all you really need is some hydrogen peroxide, some dishwashing soap, and some activated yeast. Most of these things you probably already have at home. I, on the other hand, am going to be using a high concentration of hydrogen peroxide, which I've already added to this here flask, along with my dishwashing soap, and I added a little bit of food coloring just to make it a little bit more fun. Now, this reaction is already happening, even though you can't see it. It's just really, really slow. So in order to make it go faster, we're going to add a catalyst. In my case, it's going to be potassium iodide. This is just going to make it go so much more faster than it naturally is. Now, this reaction is exothermic, meaning that when I add my catalyst to my reaction, it will produce foam. It's gonna look cool, but it's also going to produce a lot of heat. That is because exothermic means exo means out, and thermic means heat. It is releasing heat as it occurs. So, are you ready? In 3, 2, 1. Oh, and it foams. Now you guys probably can't see it, but there's a lot of steam coming off of this reaction. That is because it's really, really hot. So I'm not gonna get anywhere near it, but as you can see, it is pretty fun to watch. Now, I really hope you liked this experiment. I sure did. Like I said before, if you would like to do it yourself, the kid-friendly version is down below. Now, don't forget, we are doing summer camp. The registration is open. Please sign up. We're going to be doing a lot of cool experiments, much like this one and a lot of others. And if you happen to be on our website and would like to make a donation, all donations are welcome. Thank you, and I will see you guys next time.